Hi guys, it's Mrs. Myers. I am here to introduce you to another workplace game. Now, you might remember this game from kindergarten. We have put some extra practice workplaces in here, so you might already be familiar with Beat You to 10. So let's take a look at the game board, and I'm going to give you the instructions, and then you can explore and play this with, a family member, a brother, a sister. Mrs. Myers is going to be playing today with my friend, the stuffed animal coffee cup. So I'll show you how you can even play with a stuffed animal today. All right, so boys and girls, the object is for you to beat your partner to 10. And if we take a look here at these Unifix cubes, I notice that this is a stack of 5 and this is a stack of 5. So we know 5 plus 5 is 10, right? And then the partner that you're playing against also has 10 Unifix cubes, okay? So let's problem solve this. Let's say you don't have a mom available to play this game with you, or a dad, or a sister, or a cousin. You can choose a stuffed animal like Mrs. Myers did. Here's my guy. I'm going to play against him today, okay? So you can choose to do that as well if you don't have a partner. So here's the object. I'm going to try and beat Mr. Coffee Cup to the top. I'm going to try to get to 10 exactly before he does, okay? So I'm going to go first. This is going to be my side right here, and this is going to be Mr. Coffee Cup side right here. So all I have to do is go to the spinner and put that little hand in the middle and click, and then it spins for me. I got a 0 today. Oh my goodness. So Mrs. Myers cannot put any on her board. Okay, Mr. Coffee Cup's turn. Here we go. This is his spin. Mr. Coffee Cup, way to go. You got 2. So Mr. Coffee Cup has to choose 2 different colors to use today. He is choosing blue as his first one. So he is going to cover up 1 and cover up 2. And we want to stack them on top of each other. We want to fill up this first set of 5 and then this second set of 5. Now, as Mr. Coffee Cup's partner, one of my jobs is to check in with him. And I could ask him a question like, Mr. Coffee Cup, how many more do you need to get to 10? Mr. Coffee Cup has to think about that. So Mr. Coffee Cup is going to say, well, I know there's 5 right here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I need 8 more to get to 10. Nice work, Mr. Coffee Cup. All right, now it's Mrs. Myers' turn. Oh my goodness, I got 0 again. Does that ever happen? All right, well, Mr. Coffee Cup's turn. Here we go. Mr. Coffee Cup got 2. So remember, the rule is you have to use 2 different colors. So on Mr. Coffee Cup's second turn, he's going to go with Seahawk colors. So he's going to go ahead and put 2 more on there. My job as his partner is to ask him, Mr. Coffee Cup, how many more do you need to get to 10? Well, he told me 6. He said, Mrs. Myers, I see 5 and 1 more is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So he is correct. Okay, I'm officially nervous to spin right now. Am I going to get a 0? Let's find out. Ooh, I'm going to call that a line. Better than a 0. So I'm going to spin again. Yes, I got a 1. Well, I'm going to go with my favorite colors to start with. So I'm going to put my 1 there. And remember, it's my partner's job, Mr. Coffee here. Mrs. Myers, how many more do you need to get to 10? Well, I know right away, boys and girls, that I need 9 more because I know that 9 and 1 more is 10. All right, it's Mr. Coffee Cup's turn. He got a 3 this time. Now, Mr. Coffee Cup has already chosen blue and green, so those are the only two colors he's going to use. And since he used green last time, now he's going to choose back and go back to his blue. So he's going to add 1. We know right away Mr. Coffee Cup has 5 filled up. 2 and 3. All right, Mr. Coffee Cup. How many more do you need to get to 10? Well, I can see that there's 1, 2, 3. Nice work. He needs 3 more. Okay, here I go. I got a 2. Okay, I'm going to choose my second color. I think I'm going to go with black. So I'm going to choose 1 and 2. Mr. Coffee Cup, how many more do you need to get to 10, Mrs. Myers? Well, I know there's 5, 6, 7. I need 7 more. All right, now here's a rule about the end of the game. Mr. Coffee Cup has a chance of winning because he only needs 3 more. So if he spins a 3, he is officially the winner. Okay, so let's see if he can do it. He does! Oh my goodness. Congratulations, Mr. Coffee Cup. We're going to put that on there. Let's say Mr. Coffee Cup ended up not getting 3, and let's say he got 2. If he would have had to spin again, right? And the only option he could have had was to get a 1. You can't go over. So if he would have spun a number 2 that next time, he would have lost his turn and it would have been my turn. But Mr. Coffee Cup was officially very, very lucky during this game. Great game, Mr. Coffee Cup. Thank you, Mrs. Myers. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you have a lot of fun playing Beat You to 10. And remember that important question. It is important to ask, how many more do you need to get to 10? So be sure either your family is asking you or whatever stuffed animal you decide to play with is asking you. Okay? Bye, everybody.